To create this kind of highlights using only mouse, every other video on YouTube, including mine, showed a method that uses smudge tool, which is very time consuming and difficult. But in this video, I have a trick to create these glows without using smudge tool. So let's get started. I have the subject layer in place and a black solid color as background. First, we have to set up layers for painting that glow. Click on this button to create a new layer. Make sure foreground color is set to black. Then with our new layer selected, press Alt Backspace to fill that black color in this layer. Then change its blending mode to screen. Then click on this button and create a new gradient map layer. Create a clipping mask by clicking on this button. Then click here to choose colors. I have these pre-made gradients to save time. You can get these for free in description. I'll choose this sky blue gradient. And now we can select this black layer and paint with white color for our glow. And to erase any part, paint with black color. I'll just undo it now. With brush, I will set the flow to around 60%. Hardness to 0 and size very small. Then simply start drawing these lines. No need to worry about the smoothness. Just roughly create these lines on the edges. You can also make the size of the brush smaller for some of the areas like this. For the hair, I used a smaller brush to create these main lines first, and then used an even smaller size for a little more detail. Looks awful, I know, but here's the magic part. Right-click and convert this black paint layer to Smart Object. Now go to Filter, Stylize, and then Oil Paint. Drag all the sliders to right, and then hit OK. And that's it. We got perfectly smooth lines with faded edges without using smudge tool. This is before, and this is the after. You can right-click on the layer and rasterize, and then easily make some manual adjustments. Now we can use same layers for the background glow as well. We'll clean up this layer by filling it with black color again, then with a big soft round brush. Paint like this in the center. Lastly, create a new solid color with blend mode set to linear dodge. And then we can paint these subtle lighting around these areas with brush for just a little more detail. Also add some light on these areas for a kind of bloom effect. And that's how you can create this cool glow effect for your thumbnails easily. Don't forget to get the free gradient file in the description.